Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing how to use recurrent neural networks, RNNs, for time series forecasting tasks. RNNs are a powerful type of neural network architecture that are particularly well suited for sequence prediction tasks, such as those commonly encountered in finance, weather forecasting, and other fields. To follow along with this tutorial, you'll need some basic knowledge of Python and the Keras library. We'll be using a public dataset from the U.S. Federal Reserve to demonstrate our techniques. Data preparation. Here's an example of what the code for this demo might look like. In this demo, we'll start by loading and preparing our time series data for modeling. This will involve using Python libraries such as pandas and numpy to read in and manipulate the data. We'll also use techniques such as normalization to ensure that our data is in a suitable format for training our RNN. Finally, we'll split our data into training and validation sets so that we can evaluate our model's performance on unseen data. Building the RNN. Here's an example of what the code for this demo might look like. Our model will consist of a single layer of LSTM or long short-term memory cells, which are a type of recurrent neural network cell that are particularly well suited for time series forecasting tasks. We'll also discuss some of the hyperparameters and design choices that go into building an RNN for time series forecasting. Model training and evaluation. Here's an example of what the code for this demo might look like. We'll train our model on our prepared data and evaluate its performance using metrics such as mean squared error, MSE, and mean absolute error, MAE. We'll also use techniques such as early stopping to prevent overfitting and improve our model's generalization performance. Making predictions. Here's an example of what the code for this demo might look like. We'll visualize the results using the matplotlib library so that we can get a better sense of how well our model is. And that's it, an introduction to time series forecasting with recurrent neural networks in Python. We hope this tutorial was helpful in getting you started with this exciting field of machine learning. In our next tutorial, we'll dive deeper into RNNs and show you some advanced techniques for improving their performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on machine learning and artificial intelligence.